Hello everyone, I'm Felix Capitulo with the Capitulo Brothers Real Estate Group, here today to show you this charming family home at 2331 Gagnon Place in Richmond, British Columbia. Let's take a look. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home features many updates, including refinished cabinetry, quartz countertops, newer appliances, and laminate flooring throughout the living and formal dining room. Situated in a private cul-de-sac, this home is only steps away from Tait Elementary School and its parks. If this home speaks to you and your family, feel free to give me a call. As always, thanks for stopping by.